Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 179,
Present, ma'am.
180, 181,
Present, ma'am.
182, 187,
Present, ma'am.
188,
Present, ma'am.
190,
Present, ma'am.
191,
Present, ma'am.
192, 93,
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, 192 present. Network issue.
okay, 94, 95, 196,
Present,
197,
ma'am.
198,
Present. 96.
198, Sagar, 199,
Present, ma'am.
201,
Present, ma'am.
202,
Present, ma'am.
203, 204,
Present.
205, 206,
Present, ma'am.
207, 208,
Present, madam.
209,
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, I was present in last class.
okay, I will check it out. I will check out the recording.
Okay, ma'am.
And if possible, you inform me on the same day. Okay, we cannot change it
Okay.
after a day. So if
Yes,
any
ma'am.
issue
Yes.
is there, that is the only reason why I am displaying you my screen. My screen is visible to you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to inform me on the same day. That is the only reason why I am sharing my screen when I am taking attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
0, Urvashi,
Present, ma'am.
211,
Present, ma'am.
212,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14,
Present, ma'am.
215, somebody was there from this name. Somebody was joined from this name.
215 ma'am.
215, are you there?
Madam 195
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya
Yes, ma'am.
present.
I'm here.
Wait a minute, Aditya. First, I am talking about another student, please.
Sorry, madam.
Aminullah Bakshi. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So why are you not why are you not telling me you're present? Can you
I
see?
said I'm present, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
But can you see this? Continuous, it is absent.
Yes, I know, ma'am. I arrived yesterday. No, 2
Is it
days
your
ago, sir.
first day?
Ma'am.
Is it your first day?
Yes, ma'am. It's my first day.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So you have to tell me your present, okay? I hope you remember your number. 7215. And 216, Michael. 217, Khushbu. 218, Shyam.
Present, ma'am.
220, Vidhi.
Present, ma'am.
21,
Present, ma'am.
22, Yashuvendra. Okay, I will repeat absent students' number. Now you tell me if you are available in the class. 7222, 728, 7218 Shyam, 7216 Michael,
Ma'am, 7182 present.
Present, ma'am. Michael present. 7216.
okay, 16 is present,
Madam,
195.
18 also present.
7207, 205, 203 Darshan,
Present,
198 Sagar,
Present, ma'am.
195 Aditya,
Present, madam.
194 Maria, 182 Mansoor,
Present, ma'am.
180 Shiveng. Okay, this many students are absent today. Who will revise what we have done in our last class? Who will revise the last session? Kiran, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, what we have done in our last class, can you just brief it?
And we did bootstrap.
Yeah, bootstrap, that is fine. But what topic was going on in bootstrap? What we have covered, what we are supposed to start. Can you remind the class? Never mind. Anybody else? Mansoor, can you answer? Mansoor, are you there? If you people will not answer, then I will make you absent because it means you are not available in the class. Okay, Shantosh, you want to say something? Chalo, somebody has to revise what we have done in our last class. Java, Pygmy, Anybody can answer. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we study the class of Bootstrap.
Can you repeat it?
Ma'am, in the last session, we created a pattern
Hmm.
by the Bootstrap, the class of Bootstrap.
Yes, so we have started Bootstrap. That is fine. From last many days, we are doing Bootstrap. But in Bootstrap, we were learning Bootstrap grid system. If you remember, yes or no? We have started this. Yes or no? Can I have some answer at least in this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have started grid system. Grid is a method through which you can arrange component in your browser, in your web page. It is kind of a layout. So how does it work? What is the meaning of grid that we have discussed? So it will work like this. Entire web page will be divided into horizontal and vertical row and columns. There will be total 12 columns in each row. This we have already studied, right? We can merge different columns, right? And we have taken one example of that as well. And what is the use of it? Because of this grid system, your page, web page, will be responsive and your website will be responsive. So we have to take these 5 classes. These 5 classes also we have discussed. I hope everyone remember that at least. We don't have any Yashraj in our class, right?
No, ma'am, we have yes, Sadhana is new student.
Oh, new joining.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yashraj, you are very late. Next time you be on time. So we have discussed these classes as well, right? So whatever class you are using in your page, according to that class, your screen will be adjusted. Say for example, there are basic 5 classes, call class. When you are doing code for extra small device, okay. So if your code will support extra small device, then it will support the large device as well. Okay, it won't make any difference in the designing. But if you have created something for extra large device, for extra, now I cannot admit any of the student. Oh, we don't have anybody like this. Okay. So if you are creating code for extra large, oh my god, who is he? So if we are writing code for extra large device, okay, extra large device means its screen width will be greater than or equal to 1200 pixel, and I will open this page into small device, into extra small device, then what will happen? Then it has to adjust itself. The site has to adjust itself. Okay. So today we have to learn how to use these 5 Bootstrap classes in our Bootstrap page. Okay. So basically these 5 classes are used to arrange column in your web page. In every column you can put some control. So up to this we have studied in our last class. Now we have to do its practical. We have not taken any example of greed. Is it so? Or we have done any example? Can anybody answer? We haven't done any example of greed, right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's just do that. Okay. So you have to remember this. Okay. You just remember this. There will be total 12 columns in every row. We can merge columns as per our need, as per the control you want to put in that particular column, right? So we will merge it as and when needed, but it cannot be more than 12, and the total has to be 12. Okay, the total has to be 12. So let's just start it. Okay. So if you want to create column, then column has to be within row. Column has to be within row. So row is a class and column is another class. So what I will do in one division, first I will create a row. As you can see here, in one division, first I will create a row like this. Okay, inside row I have to create columns. Now you just see this division. Okay, first I am using col class. This is a class that is used to create column in your web page. Let me show you. Col class is for extra small device. Okay, when your device is less than 576 pixel, at that time you can use this class, col class. Now, so I am using this class in our code. Now you listen to me carefully. That student is trying to enter in the class again and again. Okay. Yes. So I am using this class in the division. How can we use the class in the division? You know it very well. Class is equal to col. Okay, it means this site will support the smallest device, very small device. Okay, so how am I dividing my column? See, first column, second column. Second column is a result of 6 merged cell. Col dash 6. It means it is a result of 6 merged cell. And at the end, I am creating column number 3. So what will happen out of 12? Out of 12, 6 column will be assigned to the center, to the cell which is in the center. Remaining 6 columns will be bifurcated into these 2 divisions. First division will have 3 columns. Third division will have 3 columns. And center division will have total 6 columns. Okay. So like this, I am creating row number 1. Up to row number 1, is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So row 1, total 6 column. It has to be total 6. Okay. We will move on to further row. Can you see? There are so many rows. I am creating another row, row number 2. In this row, I am not giving any bifurcation. See, I am not writing any number like this. Okay. I am not giving any bifurcation. So what it will do, it will divide 12 columns into two parts. First division will have 6 columns and second division will have another 6 columns. So this is the situation of row number 2. And I am using call class, so it will use extra small device, pixel of extra small device. Is there anybody? Michael?
Ma'am, Michael is trying
Yes,
to say
Michael?
something, ma'am.
Hello? Oh, he left. Anyways. Okay. So in the second row, I am dividing the column into two parts. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So there are many rows. Okay. Further row we will discuss. But first I wanted to execute and I want to show you this output. Row number 1 and row number 2. Okay. Let us just execute it. Okay. Now our grid demo 1. Only text will be visible. Okay. Here I have arranged everything. I have arranged everything in a grid. But can you see only text is there? Row and column, it will not be visible to you. Who is this student? Do we have any Jay Dholaria in our class? No, na?
No, ma'am.
Is this issue with every... Okay, let me just take a screenshot of it. I will take that. Are you guys facing this issue in every class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these people are trying to enter in all the class, no? But who is giving them link of our class? This is the only reason I have changed the entire link. But somebody is providing them link. Okay, otherwise how they are accessing, how they are asking for the permission? You don't share your class link to anybody. Somebody from us is sharing the link with them. Anyways, this is very annoying. Okay. So we have executed it. We have arranged everything into row and column wise, but it is not visible. Okay. Because it is not a table, it is a layout. Layout can hold some control. Okay. Layout itself is not visible. So here grid is there. In the first row, I have divided into 3 parts. Okay. But if I want to make it visible, then I have to use some CSS. Okay. Let me use it. After that, it will be very clear to you. So I am talking about this. In first row, I have bifurcated into 3 columns. Can you see? This is row number 1 and there are 3 columns. Okay, now let us make it visible. What I will do, I will just give different color to every column of row number 1. Style, we will put some background color, anything. Okay. Okay. So I have provided some color to row number 1. And let us just see. First column in row number 1, we are not mentioning size of the column. Second column is a result of 6 merged cell. So what will happen? Remaining 6 cells, it will divide equally into first and between first and last column. So let us just execute it. Okay. Oh, that is our column number. Oh, I am so sorry. This is our row number 2. Okay. I have done coloring to row number 2. Row number 1 is this. Row number 1 is this. But anyways, we can understand it in row number 2 as well. So this is row number 2. Did you just observe? Center row is a merged of 6 column. Sorry, center column is a result of 6 merged cells. Out of 12, 6 cells belongs to center column, and the remaining 6 cells is bifurcated into first and last column. Okay, so like this you can create grid. Now what I told you, I am using only call class, which is used for extra small device. So now if I will convert my layout into extra small device, did you just observe it? This row doesn't change. Row number 2, this row doesn't change. It adjusts itself according to the size of the device. That is why, that is the reason I have used call class. Okay, for extra small device. This is a size of my mobile phone, right? So it will adjust itself according to the device size. Okay, now let us just see row number 1. This row number 1. Okay, here I am using call dash sm.
Hello, madam.
Yes,
Madam, the screen is too small. I'm unable to see the codes.
my screen is too small.
Yes, madam.
Are you asking about this code? Are you asking about this code?
I am talking about the codes that you are displaying. Yes, I'm unable to see them because the screen that you have showed, that you are sharing it,
Okay.
it's just too small. They are not visible.
Okay, let me zoom it. No issue. Is it visible to you now? Is it better?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if any such issue is there, then you can just let me know, okay? All right. So, yes. Now, row number 1. This row I have created by using this class. See, class div class is equal to call dash sm. So sm is for small devices, call is for extra small devices, sm is for small devices. Okay, what is the meaning of small device? Its width should be equal to or greater than 576. Okay, equal to or greater than 576 pixel. Now you see, okay, I can make them large as well. Okay, let me change it to large. If I want to make it large, then which class should I use? I have to use call dash xl. XL is for extra large. Okay. Okay. But if I am using extra large column layout in row number 1, then what will happen? See, extra large means the screen width equal to or greater than 1200 pixel. 1200 pixel. It means if I will open my web page less than 1200 pixel, then that row has to arrange itself according to the screen width. Okay. So if I will open my page into a smaller device less than 1200 pixel, then it has to arrange itself, which is not there. The situation is not there with row number 2. Why? Because row number 2 I am creating by using call class. Okay. This class is for extra small. This is for extra large. Okay. Now what I will do for our better understanding, so that we can understand it more properly, I will give some color to let me give some color to that. Oh, it should be equal to background color. Here also style equal to background color. You can give boundary as well. Okay, that will also make it visible. Okay. So row number 1 I have created by using extra large column, and I am not writing any number. Okay, if I will write like this 8, then what will happen? First column will merge 8 cell. Okay, and remaining cell total should be 12. Okay, so what will happen? First column will merge 8 cell, and remaining cell will be divided into remaining 2 columns. But I want to divide equally. I want to divide 12 cells into equal division. Okay, so it will be first 4 cell, second 4 cell, and last 4 cell. It will be merged. Okay, now let me just run it. But you remember which class am I using? I am using extra large column class. And in the second row, I am using extra small column. Okay, now let me just execute it. Okay, so row number 1, equal division 3 3 3, first 4, next middle 4, and last 4, they have merged equally. Okay, here I am using extra large column class. Here I am using extra small column class. Now what will happen? This browser window is more than 1200 pixel. So if I will resize it, did you just observe? First row has to adjust itself. First row has to rearrange itself. Why? Because in first row I am using extra large class, but second row is as it is. It don't have to adjust itself in a vertical order. Okay, because I am using extra small class. Extra small class support, see, pixels are here. Extra small class support 576 pixel or less than that. But if I am using extra large class, then extra large column needs 1200 pixel. So if the device is less than 1200 pixel, then the column has to adjust itself according to the size of the device. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you please go through it. If you have any doubt, any minor doubt, then you ask me, because this is very important. And it will be more clear when you will do practical by yourself, when you will do hands-on practice. Okay. But right now what you have to learn, it is very simple and very basic. you have to use one of these class. There are 5 class, you have to use one of these class. Okay. Now if you are using call dash md, matlab if you are doing it for medium device, okay, and your device will decrease than that particular size. If your device, if your somebody will open your web page, if anybody will open your website in a smaller device than the mentioned class, okay, you have mentioned medium, but I will open your website in a small device, then your website has to adjust itself, and it will adjust itself automatically. That is the reason why it is known as responsive website. Okay, and this is your OW as well. In your OW you have to make a responsive web page. It means you have to use grid control, you have to use grid layout, where you will arrange everything in div tag. See, div tag is compulsory, because in div tag we will use class attribute. In div tag we will use class attribute. With class attribute you have to use class name, extra large, large, small, extra small, medium, like that. So we have discussed 2 rows. Now there are many rows. Okay, here I have divided into 2 equal parts, so it will be divided, bifurcated into 6 division. Okay, so if you will not see, okay, let me show you that as well. Now I will give style to row. You just see. Style. Let's try border color. Let's see whether row is working or not. Border color will be given to the border of the row. Okay, it will not visible in column. So we have to give some style to the column only. Let us give that. Okay. We have to provide style to the column only. Style. Is equal to any of the color. Here. Okay. This we are, I think this is row number 3. No, not 3. Yeah, it's row 3. Let us just check it. Yes. So this is row number 3. Now, did you just observe what I have done in this code? Here, this is my row. Inside row class, I am creating 2 columns. But I am not mentioning any number over here. I haven't mentioned any number over here. So it will divide them. It will divide the row in equal part. Now I will mention some number here. Call dash 8. Okay, so what will happen? First column will have 8 cells, and remaining 4 cells will be given to the next column. Let us just execute. So right now it is half. It is 6 division. Now did you just observe? First column become larger. It is a result of 8 merge cell. Why? Because here I have written dash 8. Okay, everyone. So you can specify number as well. Okay, if I will write 11 over here, then what will happen? Can anybody answer? What will happen?
11
Left with 11 cells.
Correct. First column will contain 11 cells and second column will have only one cell. The total, it will automatically make total 12. Okay, here you don't have to mention -1. You don't have to mention that because ultimately total has to be 12. That is the main rule. See, this is 8 and 4. Okay, now let me refresh it. Okay, did you observe it? 11 and 1. So this is, I have used it in, like, it is for coal. I have used coal class, means extra small. If I will use medium, MD, medium. Okay, this is also medium. Okay, row number 3, I am converting, oh, yeah, row number 3, I am converting into medium. This is extra small, first row is extra large, and third row is medium. So I will save it. Now let me run. Okay, now I will resize. See what will happen to row number 3. And row number 2 will not change because it is anyways extra small. Did you observe? Row number 3 changed. Now you see, row number 3 is medium, row number 1 is extra large, and row number 2 is extra small. So I will resize it. You just observe it, okay? Can you see? Row number 3 adjusts itself. What is the range of row number 3? Sorry, what is the range of medium? Medium device equal to or greater than 768 pixel. It means right now we are on 768 pixel. Okay. Right now we are on 768 pixel. So medium column has adjusted itself in its original position. But to adjust column 1, see, it is not 3 row, it is only 1 column. It is only 1 row. 1 row has adjusted itself into 3 rows because right now we are on a smaller device. So if I want to make it proper, then I have to open it in a device which is greater than 1200 pixel. See, even now it is not 1200 pixel. It will be 1200 pixel only when I will maximize it. Now it is 1200 pixel. Can you see? So now it should be clear to you. Is there anybody who is trying to ask anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay, is it clear to you? So you are creating something by using a class, and if your device is not up to, like, it is less than mentioned pixel, then your website will adjust automatically. So this is the use of responsive website. If your website is not responsive, then the content would be disappear, or it won't be arranged properly. Okay, so remaining 2 rows are there. Let us just go through its code. In next row, what I have done, I have created 4 division. So it adjusts itself into 3 equal cells. Okay, right now all the columns are of equal size. Okay, let's provide the color to everything so that you can see it properly. Okay, I will save it. and it will be equal division. Okay, and the division will be 3 3 3 3 because we are dividing into 4 columns. So there are 4 equal divisions. Okay, now last row you can understand easily. Okay, what will happen in last row? Can anybody answer me? By the way, I have already written here in comment.
Ma'am,
What
2
will
cells.
happen? Yes, every column will have two cells. Okay. So in this last row, every column will have two cells. Is it clear? And what is the name of the class? Extra small. So it will adjust itself. See. So can you see all 6 columns are here together? Right? This is also extra small. This is also extra small. So all 4 columns are here, but this is extra large. This one is medium, so it has to arrange itself. Now, what is the use? What is the use of doing? What is the use of doing this kind of exercise? Okay, why we have to arrange itself? Okay, see, small. If I am using extra small class, then it will be supported by each and every device. Okay, then why are we not using extra small with everything? But that is not the situation. See, why are we using it? Because there will be some content that need more pixel. Okay, say for example, whatever I have written here, I am displaying one video here, another video here, and I wanted to display 3 videos. Okay, I wanted to display 3 video in first row. I can adjust its height as per my need. Okay, but I wanted to display 3 video together. Here in the last row, please listen to me carefully. In first row, I wanted to display 3 video. In last row, I wanted to display 6 paragraph. Here I wanted to display 6 paragraph. In first row, I wanted to display 3 video. Okay. Now if I will open it in browser, so browser is more than 1200 pixel, everything will work properly. But if I will open that website in my mobile phone, then what will happen? See, 6 paragraphs are there. 6 paragraphs I can see in my mobile phone together. What will happen here? It will give me scrolling. Okay, the content will automatically it will have scroll. But video, I can cut content, I can adjust content, it can have some scroll bar. But in video, I cannot provide scroll bar. So what will happen? First video it will be in first row, then second video will be in second row, third video will be in third row. Because video, I cannot decrease the size of video. I can decrease the size of paragraph. Okay, paragraph can be adjusted, it can be scrolled, but video cannot be scrolled. Okay, so it depends where you want to use which class. Out of the 5 classes, which class you are going to use? So you have to select your class very logically. Okay, and according to the class that you have selected, your website will adjust itself in a particular device. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. Does anybody have any doubt in this? You please let me know. Is there anybody who wants to ask anything? Is it clear to everyone? Can I have some answer?
Clear, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Only 2 or 3 students are giving answer. What about the other? You can at least give a message over here so that I will get some response. Are you guys getting this? Grid is very important, okay? Okay, if you are getting it, then no issue. But if you have a single doubt, no, then you feel free to ask me. You don't keep any doubt in your mind, because HTML and CSS and everything is fine, but Bootstrap is very important. Okay, it is very, very important. So I hope everyone has installed this Visual Studio Code in your system. Is there anybody who is not having Visual Studio Code in their computer? Have you downloaded it? Have you installed it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, what about the others? Have you installed it? Visual Studio? Okay, Aminullah, you are new, right? So have you ever done HTML Bootstrap before, maybe in your school time, or have you ever done it?
Honestly, ma'am, no.
Okay, then you have to work really very hard, okay?
Yes,
Anyways, we
ma'am.
will
Yes, ma'am.
share
I'm
everything with you.
downloading a video from YouTube, so I'm trying hard, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, and if possible, then you just talk to me after the class. And this,
Okay,
who is
ma'am.
this?
Okay.
I think there is one more new student, Subu. Who is Subu in the class? Subu, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, when did you join?
Just today.
Oh, oh, oh. Okay, then both of you please talk to me after the class, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Subu, do
Okay,
you know
ma'am.
your name, beta?
My name.
Sorry, I am sorry, your number. Do you know your number?